Hi guys, I'm Jessica Harlow. Kim Kardashian is the queen of neutral makeup. Today I'm going to show you how to use a nude makeup palette to get the same kind of look that she kills every single day. Let's get started. So I'm going to first start out by laying down an eyeshadow that's pretty close to my natural skin tone, but just a little bit brighter. Then with the same brush, I'm gonna pick up a matte taupe shade. I'm gonna work that right here at the, kind of like the outer part of the socket. So then I'm gonna go into a darker brown, kind of like a chocolatey brown. I'm gonna go right over the top of that. Picking up the taupe shade that I used earlier, again, onto that fluffy brush, I'm just gonna apply that right along my lower lash line, just to kind of have a little bit of like a subtle smokiness. I'm going in with a slightly lighter shade than I used before. I'm gonna put that right at the inner corners here, just to really brighten up that area, because I want this part to be super bright at the inner corners. I'm going to go in with a brown eyeliner pencil, make sure it's sharpened so you can get in and do a little bit of detail work. And what I'm going to do is line the very inner corners of my eyes with this. I'm also going to do a little bit of this at the outer corner. So I'm going to pick up that taupe shade that I used earlier, and I'm going to just apply a little bit of that towards the very inner corner of the eye here, like right at the socket. Then I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and apply mascara. And then also really important are the lower lashes. So I'm gonna really make sure to coat them very well so you have a really nice, big, fluffy lash look. I'm going to start by contouring my nose, and I'm just gonna blend this out. You just wanna make sure that you're not over blending, but you also don't wanna leave any lines that are way too harsh. And I'm like squeezing my brush here to really get it nice and narrow. I'm going in the direction of my contour. And then the same brush that I used to apply my foundation with earlier, but with nothing on it, I'm just gonna use that to kind of diffuse things a little bit. So I'm just gonna set this with translucent powder, just a little bit, not too much, just enough to lock it in place and dry it down a little. So we're going to contour the cheeks just to add a little bit more depth and bronzeness, and then to kind of tie it all together so it doesn't look like this part of my face is all dark. I'm gonna add a little bit towards the hairline and a little bit at the jaw, just to tie things in. I might do a little tiny bit of highlighting just to add a little bit of light. I'm mainly gonna apply that right at the highest point of the cheek. So I'm gonna start by kind of lining my lips with a lip pencil, but this is kind of like a little bit on the jumbo side, so I'm still gonna use it to fill in most of my lips. In the center of my lip, I'm gonna apply a nude lipstick, and then I'm just kind of gonna blend it together, and we're gonna get a really nice kind of full effect. So now I'm gonna take out my hair clips that I had in so I can keep my hair out of my face while I work on my makeup. Fantastic, I actually really like this look. Thanks for watching. Be sure to use the hashtag natural so that we can see your looks.